Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by emptying the drawer and pulling it out as far as it will go. Feel for the release levers on each side. Use a flashlight and one hand to depress the inside lever while the other supports the drawer bottom. If there's a locking clip or a small catch, press it inward and lift slightly. Once one side is free, keep steady pressure and check the opposite slide. You may need to press a second release simultaneously. You now focus on freeing the drawer from the telescopic rails, compress the inner rail and slide the drawer straight out. If movement resists, press both release tabs together and wiggle the drawer slightly to unseat rear hooks. Once the front disconnects, lift the drawer straight up at a shallow angle to clear the rear catch. Make sure to support the weight. Drawers can shift suddenly. Keep hands clear of pinch points and set the drawer on a towel to inspect the slides for debris or screws. You finish by removing the slide assemblies from both the cabinet and the drawer. Use a screwdriver to back out screws and label each piece left or right. Once off, clean tracks with a cloth and a mild cleaner, then apply silicone spray to avoid gumming. If a slide won't release, check for hidden screws under drawer bottom or behind a face frame. A little penetrating oil can loosen corrosion. If still stuck, remove.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.